Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to get a business credit card based on revenue. Revenue only. So there's no personal credit check, and this helps you build business credit because this particular card reports to Dun and Bradstreet. So let's get started. What is this business card? It is called the Revenued Business Card Visa Commercial Card. That's a mouthful, but this is a really exciting card for those of you who are looking for a card for your business that is flexible and it's only based on the strength of your business, the revenue. There's no personal credit check. There's no business credit check. They're looking strictly at your revenue of your business. I'm going to share with you in this video how to qualify for this card, how to apply, and how it actually works, what you're going to see in your dashboard when you log in. So what's unique about this particular card is they issue you a flex line, which is tied to your business card. So you have a flex line and it's tied to a business card that you can use, like a credit card, for purchases. So your flex line allows you to draw cash off this line, this flex line, but also allows you to use it for purchases. You have a lot of flexibility there for using your working capital that they issue to you. So there's no personal credit check. They're not going to do a soft pull. They're not going to even do a hard pull. What they're going to look at is the revenues of the business. So your approvals are strictly based on the amount of revenue coming in. Obviously, the more revenue you have, the better. They do have a revenue requirement. Your card accesses the flex line. So this is not a credit line. This is actually a flex line that issued to you based on revenue. This does report to Dun and Bradstreet. There's no applications for this, so you don't have to pay for anything to apply. There's no annual fees. There's no minimum usage requirements or anything like that. You get an online dashboard when you're approved, and you also get a dedicated account manager. Now, the way this works is they actually purchase a portion of your future receivables at a discount in exchange for giving you access to your Flex credit line. You'll see here the link is revenuebusinesscard.com. Make sure you type in HTTP, not the S, because this will take you to a specific page to apply for this card, which I'll share with you in a minute. So it's revenuebusinesscard.com. That way, Revenued knows you're coming from this video, and they're going to take care of you right away. And give you results literally less than an hour to see if you're approved. Now, to go into some more details, this will help you build your business credit score with Dun & Bradstreet. If you only have, let's say, you have no credit with DNB, you have no credit file, this will help you create a credit file because they'll report and share your data to Dun & Bradstreet, your payment history. As you know, having a good, strong DNB report as well as Experian and Equifax, it helps you. It helps you get better eligibility and rates for loans and financing, because you may apply for certain lenders or credit cards or vendors or suppliers that pull from Dun & Bradstreet. So if you don't have a credit file with Dun & Bradstreet, to them, you're non-existent. Your company has no credit record. There's no way for them to assess how creditworthy your company is. So using this particular card will help build up your credit report with that particular bureau. The other thing, remember, is this will help you lower business insurance premiums. Many insurance companies, when it comes to applying for business insurance, they'll pull a DMB report in your company. Also, this will help you improve terms, maybe get higher credit limits or longer terms with vendors and suppliers. Now, how do you qualify for this card? Because there's no credit check. You got to remember, they're looking at your revenue only. So you have to be a US-based business is number one. Number two is you have to be an LLC or corporation. And then number three, you have to be a year in business, at least 1 year, and then a separate business checking account. And you have to be generating at least $20,000 a month in sales coming in through your business checking account for your company. They also want to see that you're keeping an average daily bank balance of at least $1,000, $1,000 minimum average daily balance. They don't want to see any negative bank balances beyond 3 days a month. And you can't be in a business that's in banking or lending. So if you're in financial related industry as a business, you won't get this card. You won't get approved. So don't apply. But this is the qualifications. So if you meet these qualifications, just go to revenuebusinesscard.com. And I'm going to share with you step one is you're going to go to revenuebusinesscard.com. It'll take you right to this page right here. And they're going to ask you, which is the next step, is just some basic information right here, which is your email address, your first name, last name, DBA name, and your mobile phone number. Then you click continue. That's as simple it is. Then they're going to take you to step number three, because this is step two is filling out the form. Step three you're going to now provide some owner information. You're going to also provide your bank information. So the way they read your bank account data is you have to connect with Plaid. This allows them to see what revenues are coming into your business, deposit activity, NSFs, etc. So that's how they're going to do the underwriting, and that's why it's so quick that they literally can give you an answer in as little as an hour, which is really exciting. You can have access to your online account within 24 hours. So you go to revenuebusinesscard.com to apply for this card. Let me kind of share with you a little bit what happens when you get approved. You're going to have access to your online account. They're going to give you what your spending amount is available on your flex line. So you can see here the snapshot of a flex line, almost $250,000 in the current balance. And then you can draw funds off this right off your dashboard and have funds deposit in your account, or you can use your revenue business card for purchases, because that's tied right to this flex line. The business card that you receive, the actual physical card, has a Visa logo on it. You can use it anywhere Visa is accepted, but it's an extension of your flex line, which is directly connected with the bank. Okay, so the flex line and your card are connected. When you want to draw on your flex line, you just put in the amount you're wanting to draw. They give you the terms, and then you get the funds right away. Here's your payment. So every time you log in, any transaction you do, whether it's on the card or using your flex line, is going to show up on this dashboard. So you're going to see all your transaction activity. This tells you what your spending limit is, your pay down balance, your recent pending transactions, etc. So you have all this available to you in your revenued dashboard. For those of you who are applying for this card, remember, you have to at least be doing $20,000 a month in revenue. This is a powerful, powerful card for those of you who are looking to keep your personal credit away from your business. You're looking to build up business credit, get access to working capital. This is a powerful, powerful card that you can use. And if you're looking for additional ways to build up your business credit, check out businesscreditbuilders.org. And remember, we have our done-for-you funding solutions, like our business credit card funding. For those of you who are startups or looking for multiple business credit cards, check us out again, businesscreditbuilders.org. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and you'll always be notified, so make sure you click the subscribe button. With that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.